Hello peeps. Today it's raining in Minnesota in December and my driveway is sheer ice. I was going to go to the store, but no thank you. As you can see, I have rubber for my tires, not skate blades. So the smart thing to do today would be to definitely stay home. So you guys can watch me here. I'm going to put some salt on my driveway. Hopefully I don't break my neck. Look at the Explorer. It's got just a thick sheet of ice over it. And I just stepped out here and it's like slippery as snot. So even the paper's covered in ice. Let's see if I can make it to the mailbox. A challenge. Oh. I know I wouldn't have made it if I wouldn't have put that salt down. I would have been right on my back. Peace out.